Good morning. మనం ఎక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం రా? పర్టికులర్లీ ఈథర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్కిన్ కదా, అంతే కదా? Now ether preparation from halogen compound alkyl halide, you know that is a Williamson synthesis. Very important, Williamson synthesis. Halogen compound already that is there. Once again I am writing. Anybody కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఎవరు ఉంటే తీసుకోండి. Okay, Williamson synthesis. In this case, we'll take alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, other one is sodium alkoxide. Here alkyl halide is substrate, here this is the reagent. Here main substrate. In this case, alkyl halide, what happened? This alkyl halide undergoes nucleophilic substitution by SN2 mode. Then what happened? In place of X, you write whatever nucleophile. OR is the nucleophile, Nana. X release avutundi, here this is coming here. Now attack. R and OR. Careful ga vinali meeru. For this R, we are adding OR. Then we'll get what? ROR. This is called as ether. అయితే అన్ని ఈథర్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కావు, ఇక్కడ అన్ని ప్రిపరేషన్ రావు. మెయిన్ గా whenever here the alkyl halide is primary, I am writing carefully, observe. Primary alkyl halide, sodium alkoxide. Primary alkyl halide, sodium alkoxide, Nana, readily undergoes nucleophilic substitution. Then whatever OR group is there, that OR attacks here. Okay, na? Then an answer R dash O here R, ether, major product. Whenever the alkyl halide is a secondary, whenever alkyl halide is secondary, any RONA, otherwise sodium methoxide. What happened here? Other than methoxide is given, this undergoes substitution. Elimination, both are possible. Here elimination possible, here X is there, here H, both are removed. General thing I am writing, general thing. Whenever RO, here RO nothing but base, nothing but nucleophile. Bases are acting as a nucleophile. In this case, what happened? Elimination as well as a substitution. Both. Here elimination by E2, substitution by SN2. Both are important. Two product. But here slightly elimination more. And then not only here Williamson synthesis, here elimination also there. That's why for Williamson synthesis, secondary alkyl halides are not good. Secondary alkyl halide is the Williamson synthesis difficult, Nana. Whenever tertiary alkyl halide, here RONA given. So this is the reagent. This is what tertiary alkyl halide. This is the substrate nana. Substrate tertiary alkyl halide. In this case, what happened? Major product elimination by E2. Major. And here substitution minor. Williamson synthesis minor. That's why tertiary alkyl halides are not important for Williamson synthesis. So very clear here. Williamson synthesis and ever undale, alkyl halide RONA undali. Chala important question. Very, very important question. In this alkyl halide, which alkyl halide possible? Primary possible, secondary, tertiary. But primary alkyl halide gives good yield. Secondary alkyl halide mixed. Tertiary alkyl halides are minor. That's why Williamson synthesis means which is important, Nana? Primary or secondary or tertiary? Primary. The substrate alkyl halide is primary important for Williamson synthesis. Primary is important for Williamson synthesis. Okay, na? Secondary what happened I have given. Tertiary what happened I have given very clearly. What are the products here given? Just you observe. Whenever the substrate is a aryl halide, aromatic ring, and the substrate is vinyl halide. These are not involved in substitution. So these are not involved in substitution. That's why for Williamson synthesis, we are not using aryl and vinyl halide. Okay, na? Remember, aryl vinyl halides are not used in Williamson synthesis. Okay. Primary only important. Now I will take example. For example, methyl chloride. Methyl chloride only SN2. Example, CH3ONA by methyl alcohol. Next reagent, sodium methoxide. Next one here, no. Isopropoxide. Next one here, cyclohexane. These all are given. Here substrate is a methyl chloride. Methyl chloride always undergoes substitution only. No other option. That's why here chlorine is involved in substitution. Chlorine. In place of chlorine, whatever nucleophile is given, you write. Here this is the nucleophile. Then what happened here? Methyl OCH3. Then our answer CH3O, here CH3 nana. CH3OCH3. Dimethyl ether. Next case. This is the CH3CH2O. Cl. Then our answer now CH3O here. CH2CH3. Ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl-methyl ether. Okay, na? Now isopropoxide. This is the reagent. Here Cl removed. Then our answer CH3, CH here, CH3, O. For this here attack, methyl. Now this is the reagent. Here attacks at a methyl group. OCS. Like this, methyl chloride is given 100% Williamson synthesis. 100% Williamson synthesis, Nana. Methyl chloride, these are there. Anyone here, reagent, anyone is given, you can write. But methyl chloride. Next example, ethyl chloride is given. Here also sodium methoxide, sodium ethoxide, like this is given. What is our answer? Small here OCS3 given now. In this case, here substitution only main. Whenever methoxide is given, here substitution only more. Substitution only more. Methoxy, CH3ONA. Here substitution more. Answer here. Here ethyl chloride, this is the living group. Now this is the nucleophile. Here this is a nucleophile. Here this is a nucleophile. Whenever Cl releases, nucleophile attacks here. Here nucleophile attacks here. Here nucleophile attacks here. Then answer here ethyl CH3O here CH3. Now here answer CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. Here cyclohexyl group O CH2 CH3 Nana. Okay na? Over. Right? Now secondary alkyl halide I am taking Cl secondary CH3ONA like this reagent. First year sodium methoxide is given. What happened? Substitution major, elimination also there, but here more substitution. But sodium methoxide is given. What happened? I told you secondary substitution plus elimination, both are there. Substitution, elimination. But here which is important? Elimination more. So this is not important for Williamson synthesis. Why? Because elimination more. But sodium methoxide you can take. Sodium methoxide you can take. Okay na? Now example, tertiary alkyl halide. Tell me Nana. What is your answer? Huh? Here this is alkyl halide tertiary. This is the reagent or base. Then what happened? I told you elimination dominating. Here elimination major and substitution minor. So here major product, elimination only. So here Williamson synthesis is not good. Okay na? Like these examples are very important. Whenever chlorobenzene reaction with sodium methoxide by alcohol, Sodium ethoxide by alcohol, Nana. What is our answer? Answer. Here, aryl halide, this is substrate is a aryl halide. This is a no reaction with other reagents. Aryl halides are not involved in SN1, SN2 readily at normal condition. That's why chlorobenzene no Williamson synthesis. But you can prepare alternate method whenever methyl chloride is there, reaction with the phenoxide. Here is the substrate. Next example, CH3, CH2Cl, PHONA, Nana. You can get here SN2, here also SN2, nucleophilic substitution, nucleophile ever, Nana, here. Cl minus is the nucleophile, Cl minus is the nucleophile. So in place of nucleophile, you write whatever nucleophile here, PHO minus attacks here. Then our answer, PHO here CH3. Then the product is anisole. Anisole. Here O CH2 CH3 here. This is a ethoxybenzene. This is called as phenitol. Anisole, phenitol. Ethoxybenzene, methoxybenzene. Anisole, phenitol. So like this here, compounds are there. Remember, this is Williamson synthesis. Above example you check. Here aryl halides are given no reaction. Chlorobenzene means no reaction. But same here reagent, sodium methoxide, and here phen. This is not possible, but this is possible. Aryl halide is not possible, but if that is phenoxide, here answer is there. Remember, these conditions are very important for Williamson synthesis. Okay, na? That is about Williamson synthesis. Okay, these are the general preparation methods. Then properties. Here ether having lone pair. That's why this is acting as a Lewis base. And this is acting as neutral nucleophile. Lone pair donors are called as a nucleophile. Electron donors are nucleophile. Electron acceptors are electrophile. Here oxygen having 2-2 lone pair means this is acting as electron donor. This is acting as electron donor means that behaves as nucleophile, Nana. Okay, na? Now whenever nucleophile or Lewis base character is there, that reacts with the Lewis acid. Now a reaction, here ether is given plus BF3. BF3 what? Lewis acid. Here with BF3 that forms compound like this, lone pair donated, that forms coordinate covalent bond. Here minus charge here plus. Like this salt is formed. Means salt is there means no doubt this is Lewis base. Reaction with the BF3, that is considered as Lewis base character. Okay, na? Similar way, Grignard reagent, RMGX with ether. There also magnesium having vacant d orbital. Here both side forms compound coordinate. Here salt formation. Here salt formation. This is salt. also explains us ether is a Lewis base. Wherever salt formed with Lewis acid, that indicates Lewis base character. Okay, na? Similar way, whenever ether treated with cold concentrated HCl means more acidic. Here ether group lone pairs are there. Then concentrated HCl like this. Here highly acidic. Then H plus ions attacks here. Lone pairs are there. Lone pair donated like this here plus. Here Cl minus. Here also salt formed. The salt is a oxonium salt. Oxygen having plus. That's why name oxonium. Here oxonium salt formation indicates here ether is a Lewis base. Similar way, reaction with cold concentrated H2SO4. Cold concentrated H2SO4, same condition. Answer here ether is given plus H2SO4 acid. Now here oxygen having lone pair, H plus ions attacks here, or product like this here, coordinate covalent bond here plus charge. For neutrality, HSO4 minus, this is called as oxonium salt. Here also salt formation. These all reactions explains as ethers are Lewis bases. Ethers are Lewis bases, Nana. Okay, na? Ether is a Lewis base. Now we can write hydrolysis. So whenever ether group is there, ether hydrolysis is given. What happened? H3O plus means the dilute H2SO4 or dilute acid. Here one of the H plus attacks here, lone pair present oxygen, ROR here salt. Oxygen having plus charge, less stable, immediately water attack. So one of the group undergoes cleavage. Then you will get ROH. Again this is attacks here. This is also forms as ROH. So what? 2 moles of alcohol. Both 2 moles of alcohol. Two moles of alcohol. Here answer, alcohols are there. Okay, na? Alcohol. 2 moles of alcohol. Now, reaction with HX. Very important reaction. Here HX means HI, HBr, HCl. In this case, HI is more reactive than HBr. HBr is more reactive than HCl. Okay. Now I'm taking ether ROR. Assume this is a less carbon one. This is a more carbon one. Okay, na? Now I am taking ROR reaction with HX. Less carbon, more carbon I am taking. Clearly I am writing very important question. Many times entrance point of. So here HX means acid. H plus ions are there. Here oxygen having 2 lone pair. What happened? H plus ion attacks here. Here X minus. Then our answer R. Here R dash. Here H is plus. But oxygen having plus charge highly unstable. Immediately here X minus approaches. You see, R is a less, here R dash is more carbon, but here X attacks towards less carbon side by SN2 mechanism. Careful గా వినండి, ఇందులో టెన్షన్ ఏం లేదు, నేను క్లియర్ గా మాట్లాడుతున్నా. X attacks at less substituted carbon. రెండు ఇండికేట్ చెక్ చేసుకొని చూడండి. less substituted carbon, remember. Okay na? Now here tell me X attacks here, then here bond cleavage, then what happened here? Rx, now R dash OH. So here Rx and R dash. Here X attacks where? Yes, at less substituted carbon. Small group. X attacks at small group. Remember, sometime I'm taking R dash. Once again I'm taking concentrated HX or hot. First case, above example only, directly bond cleavage. Directly bond cleavage. Now X attacks small Rx. Now alcohol is a more carbon R, but again further HX reacts with alcohol. Reason we are taking concentrated here or hot, concentrated hot. Then again here OH releases with H plus, removes as water. Nana, here OH and H plus ra, H plus OH water remove aithe what happened? X attacks here, finally R dash X. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. టూ కండిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ లో. నార్మల్ గా ROR they will give HX. What your answer? One is alkyl halide, other one is alcohol, nana. But here concentrated HX or HX is given. Both R groups are alkyl halide. Both R groups are alkyl halide. Remember here, very important. Normal case, one is alkyl halide, other one is alcohol, nana. You go above here is there only hot condition. Both R groups are converted to alkyl halide. So you see here alkyl halide, here alkyl halide. That's why HX cleavage is very important. This is very, very important condition. Next case, whenever R group, other one is like this here, bulky group. So this forms stable carbocation. Stable carbocation, and remember, in this case, again I'm writing R here, CH3, here CH3. In this case, HH is given. What is our answer? First here, H plus is electron deficient, where H plus ion attacks at lone pair present oxygen. H is electron deficient, oxygen having lone pair. Then what is our answer? H is there. O here C, CH3 here CH3. So H plus ion attacks here. What is our answer? H plus like this. Whenever oxygen having pledge charge, highly unstable, but here before approaching X minus, here bond undergoes cleavage. Immediately we will get nana here alcohol. Next case here what? Tertiary butyl carbocation. I told you very clearly, tertiary butyl carbocation is highly stable. Different condition I am taking, nana. In above example, less carbon, more carbon I am taking. In second one, One is small, other one is bulky. Bulky. Okay, bulky group. Answer. In this case, after year X minus approaches, this is by what? SN1 condition. Above example, here in this case SN2 both are simple, or then SN2 here X attack set, less carbon side, alcohol form set, more carbon side. But here bulky and small, here bulky one forms as alkyl halide nana. Here bulky one forms alkyl halide. Okay, so in this case clearly write RO CH3 here HX here X attack set bulky. In other case X small group. Remember that is SN2 mechanism. Here SN1 reaction via stable carbocation means SN1 nana. SN1. Okay na. Next example, mixed ether. Here one is A. AR means aryl. R means alkyl. Whenever aryl, aromatic ring. Aryl means aromatic ring. Like this, aryl and aromatic ring, HX reaction nana. Answer. Bond. First H plus ion attacks here. Here R, here AR dash, here H, here plus. Then immediately what happened? Here X minus approach. Here is the bond cleavage nana, not all aryl side. Not aryl side, only alkyl side cleavage. Then X minus attacks here R group. Here RX plus PHO phenol. If further HX is given, no reaction. Further reaction is given, phenol remains phenol. Phenol does not involve in HX reaction. Okay, phenol remains phenol. So here cleavage very important. This side cleavage. Aryl side does not. Aryl side no. So these are the condition. Now I will take example. For example, CH3O, CH2, CH3. Reaction with HCl. Reaction with HBr. Reaction with HI. So HCl, HBr, HI. HCl, HBr, HI. Okay na? Then tell me an answer. So this is a methyl is less carbon, here more. Now here nucleophile means Cl. Here chlorine attack set methyl. Then our answer methyl chloride plus this is ethyl alcohol. Next example also same. For small carbon Br attack. For small less carbon Br, other one is there ethyl alcohol. Here iodine, again ethyl alcohol. That's all. Here halogen specific nature important. మీరు ఇష్టం ఉన్నట్టు రాయడానికి కుదరదు నాన్న. ఎక్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి, ఆల్కహాల్ ఎక్కడ రావాలని క్లియర్ గా ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ like this is given. HCl, HBr, HI, constant HI nana answer. So here 2 carbons are there, less number of carbon here, more number of carbon. Now nucleophile attacks where nana? Less carbon side. Cl minus kani, Br minus kani, I minus kani. Less carbon side attack. Then our answer here CH3, CH2Cl plus here isopropyl alcohol. I am writing clearly which answer. Ambiguity is there, remember, very important question this is. Now next answer here CH3, CH2Br, isopropyl alcohol. Next answer here CH3, CH2I plus iso. Here concentrate is given. Both are emaidana. Both are converted to alkyl halide. Both are converted to alkyl halide. So ila condition is very important. Conditions are there. So ila reaction raskondi. Similar way here O CH2 CH3. Now example HBr, hot HBr, HI, constant HI nana. What is our answer? Here ethyl is small. Now halogen attacks where? At less carbon side and means small group. That's why here Br attacks at ethyl. Our answer ethyl bromide. Other one is a cyclohexanol. Hot HBr. Hot means both R groups are converted to alkyl halide. Cyclohexyl bromide and ethyl bromide both are alkyl halide. Very clear? Both are alkyl halide here. Normal given, one is alkyl halide, other one alcohol, HI. Okay na? Our answer here CH3, CH2I and the bigger one converted to alcohol. But concentrated given, our answer here both are converted to alkyl halides only. Both are iodides. So here conditions are very important, Nana. Normal condition or cold condition or hot condition you check. Normal given room temperature you take. Specifically concentrated or hot condition means different answer. Okay, different answer. Now example, this is given HCl, HBr, HI. What is our answer? So this side here, this is a bulky. Then mode SN1. Now here halogen attacks where? Bulky only. Stable cation. Then only X attack. Stable cation nana. Here Cl. Remaining is methyl alcohol. Above example reverse. Here tertiary given. Answer is SN1 mode. Anni same kavu gurtupettukovali. Your answer is different than first next one here Br methyl alcohol. In this case, what is our answer here? Here first cation important. After that here iodine. Again you will get here methyl alcohol nana. This is your answer. Okay na? Now similar way Here tetrahydrofuran cyclic ether. Here HBr. Here concentrated HBr. HBr, here concentrated HBr. Then what is our answer? Tell me. So here HBr bond cleavage. One side OH, other carbon Br. But concentrated given, both carbons are converted to halogen compound derivative. Both carbons are halogenated. Lot of difference. Concentrated like this. Now, whenever any sol is given, what is our answer? HBr is there, HI is there. Here, concentrated HI is there. Answer చెప్పండి. ఎటువైపు క్లీవేజ్ ఉండాలి? ఓన్లీ ఆల్కైల్ ఏ క్లీవేజ్. Here cleavage not there. ఇక్కడ aromatic ring side ఎప్పుడు క్లీవ్ అవ్వదు. Only this side. Then answer tell me. Here cleavage O become OH phenol. Remaining is a methyl bromide. Next case. Phenol plus here methyl iodide nana. Phenol plus methyl iodide. Next concentrate also given. Same answer. Phenol as is phenol only. Here methyl iodide. Carefully observe. In aryl system, whether whatever is given, that is not involved in cleavage. Okay, carefully observe here. Next answer here. Like here phenyl, isopropyl ether. Here HI. Here constant HI. What is our answer? Where is the cleavage? Here is the cleavage. That's all. Then here I attacks at isopropyl group. Therefore, what is our answer here? Here phenol system remaining is isopropyl iodide. Here also phenol same. Whether concentrated whatever is given, answer does not change. Both are same answers. Both are same. Okay. Whether normal HI, hot HI is given, whatever HI is given. Now this is answer. Okay na? So like that aryl vinyl check cheskondi nana. Now similar way. Now what is our answer? What is our answer? Yeah. Answer. Ekkada idi aryl system here. Here is the cleavage. Here only cleavage. This side no. That's why. Then our answer. This is OH. Now here what? 1, 2, 3. Here iodine. No bromine. Next case also. Phenol aromatic ring side cleave cheyodu. aromatic ring side అస్సలే క్లీవ్ చేయొద్దు. ఓకేనా? క్లారిటీ వస్తుందా? Now one more example. అమ్మా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇథిలిన్ గ్లైకాల్ హెచ్ఐ ఇస్తే ఏమైంది నాన్న? ఏమైంది? మనకు తెలుసు హెచ్ఐ ఇస్తే ఓఎక్స్ క్లీవ్ అయింది, ఓఎక్స్ క్లీవ్ అయింది. అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 మోల్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతాయి. సరేనా? మరి ఇప్పుడు బట్ ఎట్ అయోడిన్ 1,2 ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ ఇంకా మనం ఏ రియేజెంట్ ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఆటోమేటికల్లీ 1,2 లో అయోడిన్ అందరు వినాలి జాగ్రత్తగా. ఆల్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఎక్కడైనా అయోడిన్ 1,2 ఉంటే వెంటనే ఎలిమినేషన్ అంటే I2 రిలీజ్ అయింది. whenever I2 release, then what is your answer now? CH2 double bond CH2 alkene. Okay na? Alkene. Now example, here x moles of HI involves reaction. What is your answer? చెప్పండి ఏమైంది? ఎక్సెస్ తీసుకున్నా నేను ఇక్కడ, అప్పుడు ఏమైంది ఆన్సర్? కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్ కింద లెక్క. ఫస్ట్ ఏమైంది? ఇటువైపు క్లీవ్ అయింది, ఇటువైపు క్లీవ్ అయింది. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇటువైపు క్లీవ్ అయింది, ఇటువైపు క్లీవ్ అయింది. అంటే రెండు వైపులు అన్నాను ఇప్పుడే. ఇక్కడ ఐ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ ఐ వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ 2 మోల్ మిథైల్ హైడ్రైడ్ వస్తుంది. టోటల్ ఎన్ని మోల్ హెచ్ఐ యూటైల్ అయినాయంటూ? ఇది క్లీవ్ అవ్వడానికి 1 మోల్, ఇది క్లీవ్ అవ్వడానికి 1 మోల్, ఇయర్ 1 మోల్, ఇయర్ టోటల్ ఎన్ని మోల్? 4 మోల్ హెచ్ఐ యూజ్ అయింది. మళ్ళీ చూడండి, ఓ ఈథర్ ఇటువైపు ఒకటి, ఇటువైపు ఒకటి, రెండు వైపులా ఉన్నాయి కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇయర్ 1 హెచ్ఎక్స్, ఇయర్ 2 ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఇయర్ 2, ఇయర్ టోటల్ 4 హెచ్ఐ యూటిలైజ్ అయింది. మళ్ళీ 2 క్లీవ్ అయితాయా? ఇవి ఎక్కడున్నాయి? 1,3 నో క్లీవేజ్, నో. సిమిలర్ వే చూడండి, ఇయర్ ఓ పిహెచ్, ఇయర్ ఓ పిహెచ్, దెన్ వై మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ హెచ్ఐ యూటిలైజ్. చెప్పండి నా ఆన్సర్. ఫస్ట్ ఏమైంది? ఇక్కడ ఫినాల్, ఫినాల్ వైపు క్లీవేజ్ కాదు, ఓన్లీ ఇటువైపే, ఓన్లీ ఇటువైపే. ఎన్ని మోల్ ఇప్పుడు? 2. చాలా జాగ్రత్త వినాలి, ఇక్కడ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 2 మోల్స్ కదా, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? ఇది ఐ, ఇయర్ ఆల్సో ఐ, ప్లస్ 2 మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫినాల్ ఫామ్ అయింది. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? ఇమీడియట్ గా ఈ అడ్జసెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయి కదా, I adjacent. Immediately what happened? Removal of I2. Then you will get XE, cyclohexene. కానీ ఈ ఆలికిన్ కి మనం ఇంకొక HX యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ ఆలికిన్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ ఎడిషన్ నానా, ఫర్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ one side H, one side iodine. Here finally this is converted to iodide only. Now tell me how many moles utilized? Here 2 moles utilized, here 1 mole. That's why total your answer. What is your answer? Here y is equal to 3. Once again, here cleavage. ఇక్కడ క్లీవ్ అవ్వడానికి 1 HI, here క్లీవ్ అవ్వడానికి 1 HI 2. మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ఇది ఎలిమినేట్ అయినాక మళ్ళీ HI యాడ్ అవుతుంది. తర్వాత రియాక్షన్. ఇక్కడ HI 1, here 2, టోటల్ 3 HI. ఇంటీజర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. మెయిన్స్ లో కూడా అడుగుతారు, ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. నీట్ లో కూడా ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తారు. అడ్వాన్స్ లో అయితే ఇంటీజర్ అడుగుతారు. సో జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి. నౌ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ether cleavage, I am writing pH, OPH, OPH, then x moles of HI given. then what is our answer? Chepandi. X moles of HI is there. Nana చెప్పాలి. చెప్పండి. Again చెప్పాలి. ఎటువైపు క్లీవేజ్? ఇయర్ క్లీవేజ్ 1 mole, ఇయర్ సెకండ్ మోల్, ఇయర్ థర్డ్ మోల్ రా. 3 HI యూటిలైజ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. సో ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఏమైంది? ఇయర్ ఐ, ఇయర్ ఐ, ఇయర్ ఐ ప్లస్ ఏమైంది? 3 moles ఆఫ్ ఫినాల్ వచ్చింది. మరి ఇక్కడ ఇది ఇక్కడనే ఆగుతుందా? లేదు కదా. అగైన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ హియర్? క్లీవేజ్. I2 elimination. Then our answer double bond here I. చెప్పండి నాన్న. Again what happened? Here one more HI utilized. Check here double bond కదా, దానికి ఎడిషన్. Here HI double bond కి యాడ్ అయితే ఏమైంది? ఆల్రెడీ here iodine is there. Again మార్కోని. Here iodine attack, here H attack. Now tell me here also iodine 1,2 position. మళ్ళీ 1,2 వచ్చేసింది నాన్న. Therefore what happened here? Again removal of these two. Again removal of these two. Then what is our answer here? I2 cyclohexene. మళ్ళీ hexene వచ్చింది కదా. Again what will do? One more HI utilized, then that is added here. You will get here I. This is the final product. Here one more HI utilized. One more H utilized. Okay na? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. చెప్పండి రా. ఎన్ని టోటల్? The X value 3 plus 1 plus 1 total 5 నానా. ఇక్కడ చాలా లాజిక్ ఉంది, చాలా జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోవాలి. హెచ్ఐ క్లీవేజ్ తోటి జాగ్రత్త. బిఆర్ సిఎల్ ఉంటే అంత లేదు. ఐయోడిన్ ఉంటే ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతుంది. బిఆర్ 1,2, క్లోరిన్ 1,2, నో ప్రాబ్లం నానా. ఓకేనా ఆన్సర్? దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. టెల్ మీ ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా? గుడ్. మరి నేను ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాను, మీరు రాస్తారా ఆన్సర్? హోంవర్క్. Here X moles of HI. What is the X value? What is the product? X value ఏంది, ప్రోడక్ట్ ఏందో చెప్పండి నాకు. ఓకేనా? ఆన్సర్ పంపుతారు అనుకుంటా. Now